Top 8 Cheapest Vintage Cars. Number 1. Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. 1976 year of issue. DOESNOT RUNB EDE NGH ASGOODONE WIT ITAT AAJO Nakar Pretty Soiled OK Into Your Good Builder Sat a while shipping Avlo. If you like our videos, subscribe. You'll help us a lot. Number 2. Chevrolet Impala. 1965 year of issue. 1965 Chevrolet Impala. No motor, no trans. Needs full restoration, but can be fixed or a great parts car. Has rust in the floors, trunk, quarters, frame and fenders. Interior is there, but needs to be redone. Number 3. Chrysler 300. 1963 year of issue. 1963 Chrysler 300 Vate. Looks to be 100% complete. Engine and transmission in unknown condition. Does not run or drive. Clean and clear AZ title. Number 4. Ford Phone 100. 1966 year of issue. Up for sale. Is this desirable? 1966 Ford F100 Fleetside Custom Cab. This truck is a project truck that is in above average condition but needs restoration. Leave it patina or prep it for first-class paint. It will be beautiful once completed. The truck is solid compared to most that have been sitting for as long as this one has. It is mostly complete, but the motor and transmission are in unknown condition. The truck is pretty straight with a few bumps around the exterior. The bed does present rust. And there are a few spots in the floor that are smaller. Number 5. Oldsmobile 2 Dr. Hardtop. 1956 year of issue. 56 Olds 88 two-door hardtop. I have clear title. Not running. No seats in it. Fair body. but has lower rust out starting in it. Front floors are rusted bad. Will make a nice looking car yet. $2,850. Number 6. Ford Courier. 1956 year of issue. 56. Ford Courier sedan delivery wagon. Titled 6-cylinder 3-speed stick. I had it running good 8 years ago. Some lower rust out starting. $2,800. Number 7. Chevrolet 1-ton truck. 1949 year of issue. 49 Chevrolet 1-ton cab and chassis. NOT IT LA. Sold with a bill of sale only. 6-cylinder 4-speed. We hot-wired it. Starts and runs excellent with a battery. Yard drivable. No brakes. Hoist still lifts up and down. Fair body. Nice project truck. Put your own flatbed on it. $2,800. Number 8. Pontiac Silver Streak. 1948 year of issue. Many extra parts included. Plus a brand new 1948 6-cylinder engine bolted to the original GM pallet. Clean title. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.